Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We've got, of course, our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us, and I'm just doing a little stirring over here. So we've had some great back-to-school recipes for the month of August, and we've got another one, this one, coming from the Soy Foods Guide.
It is. It's Cashew Chicken, which is kind of a favorite recipe for a lot of families, and we're going to show how to make it. It has lots of ingredients, but it doesn't take very long to make, and might be another one of those recipes that families can use back to school on the weekend or whatever. Now the chicken I cut, just boneless chicken, cut that into 1-inch pieces and put it in a Ziploc bag with some salt and pepper and some cornstarch.
Okay.
And then we browned it, so the chicken is done. And to that, if you're going to be the stir here, then I will start adding ingredients. Okay. We have broccoli florets that we've cut there. We have edamame that we're adding. A lot of green right there, isn't it? And then add some color here. We have 1 bell pepper that I've chopped. Okay. Oh, you've got some good sizzle going on.
Oh, yeah. Now we're getting the cooking on here.
I might say that when we were browning the chicken there, sauteing it, we had in some vegetable oil and also some sesame oil. That gives it a little bit more color, or a little bit more flavor. There's carrots, sliced carrots. We've got a full skillet. Let's see if we can still add a little more. This is celery and then some water chestnuts.
Okay. This is a really colorful looking dish here.
It is, isn't it? So while you're doing that now, I'm going to make the sauce that goes on it. We have some garlic chili sauce that's in there. I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can either use regular soy sauce or a low sodium sauce.
Okay.
Going to add a little bit of vegetable oil and then a little bit of rice wine vinegar. And then just to give it a little bit of sweetness, we've got a little bit of 3 tablespoons of honey that we're going to add to this sauce. And some ginger. How about that? A lot of ingredients here.
Yes, but so far all pretty simple to put together.
And you know, to make it simple for families, if you're going to do this in the evening, because it doesn't take long to cook, Chris, is you could have all these vegetables cut and sliced in your refrigerator. Yeah. And then all you have to do, just like what we did here, is get them out and put them in your skillet.
Smelling really good so far.
And we would let this cook until the vegetables are nice and tender. It doesn't take too long. And now we're going to pour the sauce over it. A little more sizzle there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and stir that. And then right before you serve it, Chris, we've got cashews, what we're going to stir into there. And then I've also got some green onion that we're going to put on there. Do you think that skillet will hold the cashews yet?
We're going to find out here.
That's a key ingredient, isn't it?
It is.
Great.
Okay, we got the cashews and we have the garlic as well.
Oh yes, add that garlic. Actually, garlic should have gone in when we first did it. Oh. It would have been easier to mix. I didn't see that over there. We had it kind of hidden over there. But put it in at the beginning when you're doing your chicken and the vegetables, and it'll be a little bit easier to mix in. Yeah. And then right before you serve it, put it on your plate, and we have some green onions that we'll sprinkle on the top. Okay. How colorful is that?
It looks amazing. It's again, smell-o-vision would be great because it smells amazing as well. So pretty simple, delicious. It looks great. It smells great. I have no doubt at this point that it tastes great. And if folks want this recipe or any of the others, where should they go?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org. We have all the recipes for August there. Or if you want to call our 800 number, 877-KS-Soybean, and we will mail you all the recipes and a copy of the Soy Foods Guide, because it's on page 21 in our Soy Foods Guide.
All righty. Well, thank you all so much. Well, thank you, Charlene, for coming in here this morning. We will have more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.